So after you've developed your first budget, that sales budget, then you can proceed to all the other budgets. And the next one usually in order is going to be your purchases budget. You're estimating merchandise purchases based on what you came up with for your estimated sales budget. And this will first calculate it in units and then in dollars. So starting with the sales, the budgeted sales, you want to calculate with units first and then convert to dollars. That's because using sales estimates to calculate what you need to purchase, but that sales price is not going to equal your inventory cost because that sales price hopefully includes a gross margin. So your purchases budget start with next month's unit sales in units, and then the percentage of inventory you need for sales. And that's setting that safety net. Budgeted ending inventory in units is needed. Budgeted sales for this month, less beginning inventory to give you the purchases required. So what are you really doing? You're taking the cost of goods sold formula, only instead of solving for cost of goods sold, here you're solving for, budgeted sales, budgeted ending balance, and your beginning balance, so you solve for purchases. So where do you begin? Well, start with the information you're given, next month's sales in units, and the percentage of inventory needed for sales next month. That's going to be your margin of safety of your safety stock. Budgeted ending inventory in units, so you want to have the sales plus that margin of safety. Budgeted sales this month, less beginning inventory, and that's going to give you your budgeted purchases required. So this was the information you were given, or you could pull from your sales budget. So now start calculating. Now notice next month's sales in units is going to be budgeted sales this month in the different columns. You're using next month in July, carry it down to the next column in August, and then carry the August next month down to this month's. Then you can calculate your budgeted ending inventory in units. Plug your numbers. And that's what you need. That's what's available for sale is going to be required, less your beginning inventory. And this would have been from your accounting records from the first of the month. Follow the flow from month to month. Now you can solve for budgeted purchases required. And if you need to, you can rewind this video and watch it step by step again. Follow the flow of the information. Now you're ready to convert it to cost. You have the budgeted purchases in units. Now convert it to cost, because your purchase price is not going to be the same as your sales price.